Drones, the future of technology. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are becoming increasingly sophisticated and versatile. Once used primarily for military purposes, drones are now being used for a wide range of civilian applications, including photography, videography, delivery, and even search and rescue. The latest advances in drone technology are making them even more powerful and capable. For example, new camera and sensor technologies are allowing drones to capture stunning aerial footage and images. New navigation and collision avoidance systems are making drones safer and easier to fly. And new battery technologies are extending the range and flight time of drones. The growing capabilities of drones are opening up a world of new possibilities. For example, drones can be used to deliver goods to remote or difficult-to-reach areas. They can be used to inspect infrastructure or monitor natural disasters, and they can even be used to provide medical care or education to people in need. As drone technology continues to evolve, it is likely to have a profound impact on our lives. Drones have the potential to revolutionize the way we work, play, and interact with the world around us. Here are some specific examples of how drone technology is being used today. Photography and videography. Drones are becoming increasingly popular for photography and videography. They offer a unique perspective that can be used to create stunning images and videos. Delivery. Drones are being used to deliver goods and services in a variety of industries. For example, Amazon is using drones to deliver packages to customers in some areas. Agriculture. Drones are being used to monitor crops, apply pesticides, and even harvest crops. Construction. Drones are being used to survey construction sites, inspect progress, and even deliver materials. Search and rescue. Drones are being used to search for missing people and to help with rescue operations. The future of drone technology is bright. As drone technology continues to evolve, it is likely to have a significant impact on our lives.